Hello, my YouTube friends. This is a gift to you from our Patreon channel. It's a Friday video. We put it up every Friday on this YouTube channel so that you can get a little idea of what's happening over on the Patreon channel. These Patreon videos will be up to the minute and current, and there are 5 every single week. The ones we're giving you here are from a couple years ago. So I've been doing this for several years, and so this will give you an idea of what they're like. They're about one thing. They're not very long, and they're really designed to enhance your journey in homekeeping. There are 2 tiers in my Patreon group. The number 1 tier is the one that most people are on, and that one is $5 a month and gives you 5 new videos a week, plus access to every video that we've ever made. Tier 2 is brand new, and I'm so excited about it. It is going to give you the same access, 5 videos a week, access to all the videos we've ever made, plus I will be personally reaching out to you in either a FaceTime chat or some other form of video chat, and we will talk once a month for 25 minutes about what's bothering you, what you need help with, or what you want to talk about. It's a way for you to be mentored without being committed to the whole mentoring cycle. As you know, the mentoring cycle is 3 months, and it's a total of $300, $100 a month, which is a great investment. You get to talk to for 25 to 30 minutes every week for 3 months. This, however, is going to let you have 1 chat a month with me, 1 a month, which will be enough if you just need that little extra oomph, or if you just can't afford to have the full thing, but you want to be held accountable personally. It's also a great refresher for people who have graduated from my mentorship classes, and they want just that little touchstone, that ability to come back in and talk for just a few minutes about things that are currently challenging them. As you know, life continues and we continue to have challenges. So I'm very, very excited to offer this to you. I also want to let you know, once you are mentored by me, even if it's once a month, you have first choice on the next full mentoring class that comes up every season. All right, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy this video, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Hello, patrons. What are the 3 most important points of decluttering? 3 points of decluttering are: make it fun, set a timer, set limits, and follow up when you're done. Complete the process. Okay, so let's talk about that just as a reminder. So you have clutter somewhere, and it's time to work in your zone. So you're going to go into that zone. This week it's the living room, but whenever you're watching this, it might be a different zone. You're going to go to that zone's clutter. You're going to stand in front of it, pick any pile will do. You've got your music going, set your alarm or set your Alexa or whatever for 15 minutes, and then get to work. You have 3 containers to put things in, so don't forget that. A put away, a throw away, and a giveaway. Now, if you don't have a container and you're making more piles, that won't do. You need a container. I don't care if it's a paper bag. You need 3 containers, and they need to be separated so you know which is what, so you're not confusing things, because I know how you are. So you've got your throwaway, your giveaway, and your put away. Your music is playing, you love it, you're dancing, you're having fun, you're singing, whatever, all right, or you're praising, whatever, doesn't matter, it's all good, okay? And now your timer is set for 15 minutes, go. I don't want you to dilly-dally. I don't want you to overthink things. I want you to put your hand on the first thing, pick it up, and let your brain do the work. Throw away, put away, give away. Put it in the proper container. Pick up another one. Throw away, put away, give away. And it's not going to take that long, because those questions that you ask yourself are happening in a nanosecond, and you're getting an answer in a nanosecond. Boom, boom, poop, boom, boom, pop, boom, boom, boom. That's how it's going to go. So it's pick it up, put it over. Pick it up, put it over. Trust yourself. When your clock says time's up, and you might have cleared the area and moved on to the next one and be halfway through that area, then you say, hands up. It's just like when you're taking a test in school and they say pencils down. That's what I want you to do. So hands up, and now keep enjoying your music, and don't worry about the house. Don't worry about how far you've gotten. You've done a great job. Now you're going to take the trash to the trash can. Don't leave it in that bag in that room or in that box or in that container. Go take it out. Don't be crazy, all right? If it doesn't need to be shredded, don't shred it. Just put it in the recycles or put it in the garbage, whatever it is. If it needs to be shred it. But don't take forever being a perfectionist about this thing. Next, take the things that are going to be given away to the back of the car. They don't have to be in a perfectionist mode either. Nice little neat stack. You made it when you were doing it. Put it right in the back of the car. And the last thing is put away. So we're going to take the things that you put in the put away bag or basket or container and go put them away. If they don't have a home, if they don't have a place to live in your house, then maybe you don't need it. Because if something doesn't have a home, it's homeless. And homeless people and homeless things tend to be unloved. That's a very sad statement, I know, but it's true. So let's think about your things in the house. Does this really deserve a home? Everything deserves a home. Maybe it's not your home. Maybe it's someone else's home. If it's still good, maybe it needs to go in your giveaway. If it's not something that you absolutely want to get rid of and you definitely want to keep it, then I guarantee you have something on a shelf somewhere that could take that thing's place, and that thing can be given away. That's how you do this. Okay, that's just a quick reminder on how to declutter. You can do this. You are beautiful, and I want you to remember to be beautiful all day long.